Alright, welcome back to day 13 of our 30 days Python coding challenge. So today we'll be working with special number. What we're doing today, we're not going to be checking if a number is a special number or not. We're going to be printing all special numbers. Alright, so how do we do that? First of all, what is a special number? So a special number is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digits and the product of its digits equals the number. So when you look at 19 now, in such a way that 1 plus 19, which is sum of its digits, is equals to 10. Then product of its digits, 1 times 9 is equals to 9. So now 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. So that is what a special number is. If you don't get that, 19 now is, we are adding the sum of the digits and the product of the digits. This is the sum of the digits and the product of the digits is equals to the number itself. So now how can we print it out, all the special number we have? So what are we going to do that? So try this out and let's see if you get it, and write your approach in the comment section, or just let us know if you get it in the comment section. Right. Okay, now to do this now, the first thing we need to do is to look through all 2-digit numbers. And when we mean 2-digit number, we have between 10 and 99, right? So, first of all, let's create a list called special nums, and we set this to an empty list. And now for num in range 10, from 10 to 100, because 100 will be excluded, so it's practically stopping at 99 there. So we are going to be using one-liners right here. So if you don't know how to use one-liner, watch my last 3 videos. My last 3 videos on challenges, which is 10, 11, and 12. Right? And you will see how we use one-liner right there. So I'm going to say, and I'll say explain one-liner here. So I'm just going to have my for loop here for d in string num. For d in string num. So, and I'm getting the digit. This is what is returning now. Converting it to an integer straight. So right here, when I've done that, I want to just find the sum first. So if I find the sum of digits as s, and now the product of digit now is equals to what? So I'll say digit 0 times digit 1. And let's see, is there anything like product? So if there's some, there should be product. Okay, let's leave it that way. Alright, if s plus p, which is sum plus product, is equals to the num that we are having, then we want to add this to the special number list. We want to add this num to it. Right. Then all we just want to do here is go ahead and say print out, just as we have here. Here is the list of special numbers. And I will just print out special nums right there. So we just expand this and see our code. Alright, so let's run this and see. Alright, this is concatenation, so let me just separate it with a comma instead. Alright, so these are the list of special numbers that I have. So we can say that this worked quite alright, and it is quite alright. It is okay and it is good. Now we can know how we can print out special numbers. So try doing this for printing out strong number within some range, or printing out for just from our previous challenges. Yeah, we've done strong number. If you've not watched that, go back and watch it. We've done perfect numbers. Yeah, we've done Fibonacci sequence. So just try printing out some of the things and let me know if you're able to do them in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video for more content like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.